Hello everyone, I'm glad to see you on the channel Path to Sky, and today I'm going to tell you how we've been making our table for our Fly X11. First of all, my father and me made all the calculations, what do we need and how many. We found out how many screws do we need, how many furniture corners do we need, and how many wooden planks do we need. The next day we went to the market and we bought everything what do we need. Due to our calculations, we've bought 4 planks 2700 to 900, 1 plank 2700 to 600, and 1 plank 2700 to 500, and 1 2700 to 300. We'll use these two for the main part of the table, these two for the side walls of the table. This one we'll use also for the main part of the table, and this one for the connections in the table. Due to our needs, we'll now cut the planks. After we bought everything, we've packed it and transported it to our garage. Then we started assembling. We use tape to arrange the better clearance for connections. First of all, we've decided to make a frame of the table that includes 4 wooden planks that are connected with the furniture corners. Then we decided to put this frame on the planks that should be our surface of the table. And then we have nearly fully ready table. But for the extra hardness of the table, we've decided to add 2 extra planks under the table that we also connected with the furniture corners. We're now in the production of company Again Aircraft near the CNC machine to see how the details of my kit plane Fly X11 are made from the east side. The details are made from the D16AT aluminium with a width of 0.5 millimeters. Let me shortly tell you how does it work. First of all, the details are made in program CATIA. Then they're transferred to the program CAM-BAM. There the program for the machine is being made. And at last the details are transferred to the program MAC3, which is controlling the machine online. Here we can see the program MAC3. We can see the coordinates of the machine, the sequence of actions, and the whole program. Also have some news about Cessna Cardinal. We're planning to install glass cockpit fully Garmin equipped with two Garmin G3X, Garmin GTN 750, Garmin Autopilot, and Garmin G5. The most important thing is PFD primary flight display. It includes the attitude indicator, HSI horizontal situation indicator, map, and engine monitor. For navigation you have the Garmin GTN 750. It has many functions such as map, traffic control, terrain map mode, weather view, airport charts, airport procedures, waypoint information, and also nearest airport in the emergency situation. Also very interesting device is Garmin G5 that replaces airspeed and attitude indicators and altimeter. So when the electricity was disconnected, it will remain on because of the reserve battery. And the last is 7-inch display with again aircraft software to provide the control of all electrical systems such as lights, heat and other systems of planes from the screen. That's all for today. Thank you all. Goodbye.